Hi guys, it's Alexis from the First Gen and Transfer Student Center, and I'm here with another mentor message, and this week we're talking all about goal setting. So goal setting is all about self-improvement, and everybody has different goals. Some of you might want to start working out more, get a better grade on a test, or just be a more social person. And so we decided to bring these tips to help you with your goals no matter what they are.
Tip number 1, write it down. Remember to always write your goals down to remind yourself what you're striving for. Be realistic, and remember, you are in control of your success.
Hey guys, so tip number 2 is to find a community. A lot of times when you have a community of people that think similarly to you, you'll be able to not only get inspiration from them, but also figure out what are the goals that you want to achieve. You can be able to do this by going to social events that are located in the Student Union website, or you can try going to Writing Links.
Hey guys, so tip number 3 is don't be discouraged. Remember that we all have setbacks and that our goals are going to take time. So keep working hard and remember why you're here and chase that degree. Go Runners.
So what are some of your goals that you are doing right now, or some goals that you want to start? And if you have any more questions about goal setting, make sure you put all of that in the comments below. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel, and watch out for our live stream of Mentor Mondays. See you guys later.